Super, super convenient.
We were sent this VIPEK storage clothing rack. Show how easy it is to be able to assemble, as well as how versatile it is to use it. All right, the rack is all put together. This was so easy to put together. You will not have any problems whatsoever. One of the takeaways here, just when you're putting these racks together, is when you see in the instructions, you can count the little lines here to know what height to be able to put the different racks on. And of course, just because the instructions suggest you put these at certain heights doesn't mean you have to have it that way. You can move these any way you want because of the way that the ridges and the clips line up. So just know that once you have this in place and you have kind of situated how you want it, you can go ahead and customize the racking so that it fits your environment. These here are wall safeties if you needed to mount it to a wall to prevent it from tipping over if you're not going to be moving it for any period of time. Comes with some spare parts. And then also on the instruction side of things, it shows how to mount the wall clamps to be able to secure it, as well as instructions on if you wanted to have a different setup. So multiple setup options here as it outlines at the beginning of the instructions. And just know that those are just manufacturer suggested ways to have this set up. But because this type of racking is so customizable, you'll be able to find out how it works best for you. All right, now my part of the assembly is all completed. My wife's gonna take over and she's gonna utilize it and show you how versatile it is for all the different items.
I'm rolling this into my bedroom and look how easily this rolls. I mean, it even spins if you want it. This is just super easy to move around, which I love already. Now that I rolled it where I want it to go, it's really easy to lock it into place. There's an on and an off here, and you just turn it, and then that does lock it into place. So that's super simple. Let's put some stuff on this. I don't know about you, but I have a lot of clothes, so I just love the versatility of this. I like how it can change shapes depending on what you need. And it's really sturdy, especially down here at the bottom. It's very, very sturdy. It can hold over 600 pounds, which is amazing. And you can even add things up at the top. So super, super convenient, loving it. And I think you're gonna love it as well.